This is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network on this device. So to begin, you will need to launch settings first, then enter the Wi-Fi category over here. Onwards, connect your device to whatever network you would like to share and tap on it. Then go for the share option, and the following share Wi-Fi page provides you with the convenient QR code that you can further scan with any other device you wanted to share this network with, and the aforementioned device, should it be a tablet or smartphone, will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.